Say you want to make a change to your route that's a bit more drastic. It might involve completely removing a piece of pipe. This is where deleting a pipe comes in. To start out, let's go into this route here. We're going to go over to the left, right-click on that assembly, and go to Edit Route. Now, instead of adding anything like we have in the past, we're actually going to click on this pipe segment here, right-click it, and select Remove Pipe. Now, as we do this, you might see a few errors pop up, but that's okay. We want that to happen as we go through, and we will adjust as needed. Let's right-click here again, and remove that segment of pipe as well. So now you see that the program has actually auto-updated the pipe according to what's been removed, the best way that it thinks possible. Now, we have a few dimensions and relations in here that might have to be removed based on the changes, but definitely you'll have to adapt as you go. So for this one, let's just remove this one dimension over here. I'm going to right-click, delete that. And you'll see the sketch is now no longer overdefined. You'll have to work with it depending on what segments of pipe you remove, but SolidWorks will try to match what it thinks is the best solution. So for this one, it actually moved this reducer up closer. However, if you want to change this to exactly what you want, feel free to go up to the Smart Dimension on the left, click on the segment that you want to change, and then edit the length just like you have in the past. It'll still keep responding just like before you removed that pipe. Now let's exit out of the sketch and exit out of the assembly. And now we have a segment where we were able to remove that pipe and allow SolidWorks to auto-update. Now, you'll see that this segment is much shorter, and that's because that's the pipe that was removed. But again, if you need to make a change to that, feel free to add a dimension in the center to get this length exactly as you would like. Now that you can remove pipes when needed for your design, as well as update your route changes that will occur in your assembly, you're good to move forward onto our next step, which is going to be checking out our route bounding box.